Today, we're diving into the Fluxer app. If you're looking for a tool that promises to streamline your workflow, you might want to stick around. But is it really worth your time and storage space? Let's find out. Fluxer is designed to help users manage their tasks and projects more efficiently. Right off the bat, the interface feels clean and modern, which is a plus for anyone who values aesthetics in their tools. You can create tasks, set deadlines, and even collaborate with team members, which seems pretty standard for productivity apps. However, I noticed that while it offers some nice features like task prioritization and reminders, the overall user experience could be smoother. For instance, the onboarding process felt a bit rushed, and I found myself wishing for more guidance on how to use certain features effectively. The target audience appears to be freelancers and small teams, but I wonder if larger organizations might find it lacking in scalability. Also, there's a noticeable absence of integrations with other popular tools, which could limit its appeal for users who rely on a broader ecosystem. Now, let's talk pros and cons. On the positive side, Fluxer's clean design and intuitive layout make it easy to jump right in. The task management features are solid, especially for small teams, but there are definitely some drawbacks. The lack of integrations is a significant concern, especially if you're already using other tools for your workflow. Additionally, the onboarding process could leave new users feeling a bit lost. Pricing is also a factor to consider. Depending on your budget, you might find better alternatives that offer more features at a similar price point. If you're someone who thrives on collaboration and integration, you might want to keep looking. In conclusion, Fluxer has potential, especially for freelancers or small teams just starting out. However, those needing more robust features or integrations might want to explore other options. If you're curious, it's worth a try, but be prepared for some limitations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews.